Hello guys, today we are servicing the fire alarm. This is addressable fire control panel, as you see guys. So we are doing the regular maintenance of fire alarm system. So guys, this is a one loop main via BF6000 model. It is addressable system. So this is a panel linked to the main building. You see the cable for the link network. This is the screen. When you want to operate guys, you put the password 2214. You go to supervisor, then you enter you press the supervisor button, then it will direct you to enter the main password, which is 2214. Then you can access the panel. Inside we have two pieces, a backup battery. Also we have call point connected